All right, folks, I got another maintenance reset. This one's pretty tricky. Let me show you what's going on here.
Only resets.
So when we first start it, it says, whoa, service required, negative 2255 miles. And then it goes back to the hood being open. So what's weird is you don't actually reset this one through the information center here. You got to go over to the radio. And what you're going to do is you're going to swipe. And you're going to swipe. You're going to go to setup. You're going to click on vehicle. And then you're like, whoa, where is it? You're like, Pete, how do I do it? You're going to go to cluster, service interval. And then it says enable service interval. You can turn it off if you want. But what you're going to click right here is just hit reset. Do you want to reset? Of course I do. Yes. Reset to factory defaults. Boom. Distance 5,000 miles, 152 days. You can enable it or disable it, but I'm going to keep it enabled because they need to know when to change their oil. So we're going to hit there. Now, if we turn this off, we start this back up. Should say no messages, so we're good to go. This one had 95,808, and I hope this helps you reset your maintenance light, that pesky maintenance light. Thanks, guys.